Welcome back. Now within your product creation screen, you're going to see that you have the capacity to turn on customer fields that are optional. This could be useful if you were selling a physical product and you were using WarriorPlus to do it. You'll see here that you can require that the customer gives you their phone number. You can also require that customer to give you their full address. And once again, that can be necessary if you are going to be mailing them a product and you're using WarriorPlus in order to sell that product. And naturally, you're then going to want to get their country information also. Now, typically, in order to integrate a physical product delivery into WarriorPlus, you are going to need some kind of custom integration that works on the side of the platform where you are sending your product from. However, if you are mailing this product from your home office to the individual, you can also collect this information. Now, when the individual comes to your button, you'll see here that the individual will need to write in their name, their email address, and then their mailing information in order to purchase your product. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.